guys, Chef Dawg. Today we are going to be doing Tonkotsu Ramen. This is going for 10 bucks at Costco right now. Ramen noodles on steroids. Because normal ramen noodle package is what, like 10 cents? This is going for, let's see, 6 of them for 10. So it's $1.60. So it better be a lot better because it's quite a bit more. But here you go. We got a packet of sauce, and then we've got, well, they call it the soup base. The soup base. Okay, instructions are, let's see, completely remove lid, pour room temperature water up to inside line. So pour it up to that line. All right, hey, looks just like ramen. Got your seasoning like ramen, so that dried up onion. Okay, no more than a normal ramen. The difference is this pack's a lot bigger than your typical ramen, and this is the hot sauce. We already tried some of this, and it does have a kick, so that's where it's coming from. Okay, fill up to this line, and let's see what else. Microwave for 4 minutes. If you microwave it for 3.5 to 4.5, the longer you microwave it, says the noodles get softer. So a medium noodle is 4 minutes. Okay, also important to know, other than like normal ramen, it says to put this in after. So I'm gonna nuke this first, and then I'm gonna mix it. Woohoo, instant hot! It's instant hot. Three and a half. Okay, well, while it's doing that, notice how it has an egg on the front and ham? Yeah, there's no egg, there's no ham. It was slightly deceiving there. But the broth is a pork broth, rich pork broth, but no egg or ham in it. All right, so nutritional facts, because I know if you're eating ramen, you probably care. 1 bowl, 18 grams of fat. Normal ramen noodles, you got 14 grams. 8 grams of protein, 9 grams of protein. Curious where that protein comes from exactly. And then let's see, carbohydrates, 54 grams. And obviously on this one, we had quite a bit more at 64 grams. Total calories, 450 and 380. So nutritionally, you get, I guess, you get more calories out of that. But as far as protein goes, this actually has 1 gram more. More carbs, more fat. The other way to cook this, if you do have instant hot water like we do, what we could have done is opened it, poured it in, shut it, and waited 4 minutes. So chances are we're cooking ours more than we should have because we added hot water and microwaved it. Okay, it's done. Yeah, I bet my noodles are a lot soggier. I'm on a soft scale, I'm sure. Here it is. There you go. Okay, we're dumping in the sauce. Okay, mixing it in now. All right, we're gonna give it a shot. Let's see how it goes. Okay, Mama, come on over here. Oh, okay. So I've tried it already without. Let's see what Mom thinks. Oh, here you go. Go ahead, hon. We have not put this in yet.
It smells bad.
It's just a bigger bowl of ramen, it seems like. What do you think? Now, you've had ramen noodles before. Oh, plug in your nose?
That's so gross.
Are you for real? What is it that you're, what?
That's gross. I guess the pork is gross.
Oh, well, we're used to chicken, huh? I don't mind it.
Oh, and then you're going to throw that stuff in?
And then you throw the hot sauce in.
Then you're going to make me eat it again.
So there's our hot sauce. Well, it kind of comes out kind of more like it's thicker. Mix that in. Okay, I'll let you know if I think I like it more with that or not. Now, I like spicy stuff. You don't?
You're going to add pepper in there?
Oh, I was going to add pepper, but I guess I won't because you're going to try it. Huh?
I shouldn't try it.
Why not?
I don't even like it without it.
Maybe you'll like it more.
I got it.
Yeah, I like it more. It gives it more of a, because I like a kick. Now I'm not there's like, come here, look. There's not a lot of juice per se. Like looks like maybe it's just because we heated it up more than maybe you should. But ramen, when we eat ramen over here, usually we got a lot of soup, a lot of juice. Oh, come on.
Oh.
You can do it. Oh, don't do just one.
Seriously,
Come on,
it's nasty.
just enjoy it.
It's already nasty.
It's not
Yeah,
nasty.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, seriously? Here.
Oh, that is spicy.
Oh.
That's gross.
No.
Now for me.
Now put a little pepper.
Sorry, I have immature taste buds, and it's okay.
I bet Brecklin loves it.
Starving.
I bet Brecklin loves it.
That's gross.
No, maybe she wouldn't. Now,
I'm sorry.
well, you know what? If you get between this and ramen, she just gagged. Oh, God. You got to love having her. Between this and ramen, for the price, I think I'd just stick with ramen. But if you're like camping or you're out somewhere and you don't want to have to cook, well, I guess you'd have to boil the water. Now, Grayson, the guy behind the camera, he liked it. He just pounded a whole bowl of it. Thanks for watching Chef Dawg. We got a nice rainy day, so some nice hot soup. Tastes even better, I think, when it's crappy weather outside. But hey, thanks for watching Chef Dawg. Consider, sharing, liking, subscribing, all that other stuff to make our cool little channel grow. But hey, have a good one. Bye-bye.
The camera happy, huh?
Hey.
Ooh.